Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a tropical matcha green smoothie. Matcha is known to boost your immune system, assist with weight loss, energizes your body and gives you tons of energy to power through your day. To see how I make this matcha green smoothie, keep on watching. To make this matcha green smoothie, you'll need a piece of fresh ginger, 1 cup of frozen ripe bananas, 1 cup of frozen mangoes, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, 1.5 cup of almond milk, half a teaspoon of matcha powder, 2 cups or 2 handful of leafy greens. I'm using spinach and kale, but you could use whatever juicing greens you have. And you'll also need a blender. Start adding the ingredients to the blender. First I'm adding the almond milk and the greens. That will help the blender to get going quicker. Next we add all the remaining ingredients and blend until smooth. And that's it for this matcha green smoothie video. Please make sure to click like and leave a comment if you enjoy this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.